This video will show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Toyota Corolla. You'll have two of these, each along the bottom of your windshield, and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing I'm going to mention is when you lift up on your wiper arm, it's under spring pressure, attempting to pull it back down towards the windshield. You want to be extremely careful for that during the installation process. The arm can cause damage to your windshield glass. Now with that said, carefully lift up on your wiper arm. We need it up high enough that we can tilt the wiper blade. If you are looking underneath the hooked area of the wiper arm, you're going to find that the wiper blade adapter has a small locking ear. Take hold of that with your thumb, or you can use a small pocket screwdriver to gently pry. Once you have that pulled away, pull the wiper blade towards the driver's side of the vehicle. It should slide out of place. Now we're tilting this and removing it. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of the brand new wiper blade, we always want to make sure that we have a clean windshield and we clean and inspect our wiper arm. The driver's side wiper blade is going to be the longest out of the two wiper blades. Remove the wiper blade protection. We'll lift the wiper arm and slide the wiper blade onto the wiper blade arm hook. Press it all the way towards the passenger side and lightly tug it, attempting to remove it. It should not slide out of place. We'll gently rest this on the windshield. We showed you how to install one of your wiper blades, and as I mentioned, the process is the exact same thing for the passenger side. After that, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.